Welcome to English Listening Journey. Learning a new language can feel like an impossible task. At the beginning, words sound strange, sentences are confusing, and expressing even a simple idea seems out of reach. This is the story of someone who started with nothing, no knowledge of English, no confidence, and no idea where to begin, but who found a way to become fluent. If you've ever felt frustrated or stuck in your English learning journey, this story is for you. The struggle at the beginning. At first, learning English felt like standing in front of a tall mountain without knowing how to climb. Every word was unfamiliar, and even simple greetings like, "How are you?" felt unnatural to say. There was fear of making mistakes, fear of sounding silly, and fear of never being good enough. Many times, the thought of giving up came to mind. Maybe English just isn't for me, they thought. But deep inside, there was a dream. The dream of speaking English fluently, of understanding movies without subtitles, of traveling and making friends around the world. That dream kept them going. The turning point. One day, everything changed. It wasn't because of a fancy course or an expensive tutor. It was a simple realization. Fluency doesn't come from perfection. It comes from practice. Waiting to be ready wasn't the solution. The key was to start using English every day, no matter how small the effort. Instead of worrying about grammar, they started listening more. Instead of memorizing long vocabulary lists, they focused on words they actually needed. They embraced mistakes and learned from them rather than feeling ashamed. It was a slow process, but with each small step, confidence grew, creating a unique learning method. Through trial and error, they developed a learning method that worked. Here's what made the biggest difference. Listening before speaking. At first, speaking felt impossible. So instead of forcing it, they listened every day. Podcasts, interviews, audiobooks, anything in English. Over time, the sounds became more familiar, and speaking started to feel natural. Thinking in English, translating from their native language took too much time. To fix this, they started describing their day in English, even in their head. I am making breakfast. I am walking to work. These small habits help them think directly in English. Speaking alone and with others. They started by talking to themselves in front of a mirror, pretending to have conversations. When they gained more confidence, they found speaking partners online and practiced regularly. At first, the conversations were short and awkward, but over time, they became more natural. Reading out loud. Reading books and articles was good, but reading out loud made an even bigger difference. It trained their tongue to get comfortable with English sounds and improved pronunciation without needing a teacher. Writing every day. A daily habit of writing helped organize thoughts in English. Journaling, writing social media posts, or even sending messages in English became a routine. Overcoming challenges. Of course, the journey wasn't easy. There were days of frustration, moments of self-doubt, and times when progress felt slow. But instead of quitting, they found ways to stay motivated. Watching success stories of other learners, celebrating small improvements, and remembering why they started helped them push through. One of the hardest things was dealing with embarrassment. Speaking in front of others felt scary, but then they realized, even native speakers make mistakes. No one expects perfection. Once they accepted this, speaking became easier and more enjoyable. Fluency achieved. After months of consistent effort, something amazing happened. English no longer felt foreign. Watching movies without subtitles was possible. Conversations became natural. Confidence replaced fear. What once seemed impossible became reality. They didn't become fluent overnight. It wasn't magic. It was the result of small, daily actions that added up over time. And the best part? They didn't just learn English. They gained confidence, independence, and a lifelong love for the language. This story isn't unique. Anyone can go from zero to fluent. It takes time, effort, and the willingness to step outside your comfort zone. If you're struggling, remember, fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about using English every day, making mistakes, and learning from them. Start small. Listen more, speak more, think in English, and most importantly, never give up. If they could do it, so can you. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content for English learners like you. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and we'll see you in the next video.